This dB gain interactive calculator solves a fundamental challenge in RF design, audio engineering, and signal processing, quickly converting between linear and logarithmic representations of gain. Whether you're designing amplifier chains or analyzing signal paths, this tool handles the math instantly. Let me walk you through the interface. The main feature is the calculation mode dropdown with 6 powerful options. Calculate power gain from powers. Calculate voltage gain from voltages. Calculate output power from input and gain. Calculate output voltage from input and gain. Calculate required gain from powers or voltages. And calculate cascaded system gain. For today's demonstration, I'll select Calculate power gain from powers. This mode reveals 2 input fields. First, output power in watts. Let's enter 50 watts, typical for a small transmitter. Second, input power in watts. I'll enter 0.5 watts, representing our signal source. Now when I calculate, the result shows 20 dB gain. This tells us our amplifier provides a power multiplication factor of 100. Let's try another mode. Calculate output power from input and gain. Here, I'll enter an input power of 2 watts and a gain of 13 dB. The calculator instantly shows our output power will be approximately 40 watts. Each output represents the exact relationship between your input and output signals. In power calculations, every 3 dB represents a doubling, while in voltage calculations, 6 dB equals doubling. Understanding this distinction is crucial for proper system design. One critical insight: always verify whether you're working with power or voltage gains, as mixing them up leads to major calculation errors. Find the link in the description below.